Hi, my name is Jason Engel, and I'm doing the 9.1 Artificial Intelligence assignment. Introduction. Artificial intelligence, AI, is a term for simulating intelligence in machines. These machines are programmed to think like a human and mimic the way a person acts. So, what it really comes down to is like say you have a simple task that you do repeatedly, and you want a machine to help you out to save time for other things. That's how AI comes into play. It helps you out on your personal or work life. It can come in handy if you really think about it. The use of artificial intelligence is expanding and making its way into industries at a very rapid rate. It is growing into things that can be more than just a simple task tool. People are starting to think if a robot/machines will take over the world and there will be no jobs for people to work and make money. But think again, you need people to be able to run and to be able to build and run these machines to so they can stay up and keep working for the businesses. How artificial intelligence is used. Artificial intelligence is used in a bunch of different ways in nowadays environments. I will provide some topics that people are using in their personal lives and their businesses that they're working at. Some examples. Personal. Amazon has those Echo Dots that can use with voice recording. They're able to make phone calls, control your smart home, control your lights. You can ask Alexa to turn lights on and off. She'll even change the color if the lights are color changing. Open or close your garage door. Smart garage door opens like Garnier with Alexa. Change the temperature in the house. Hey Alexa, set the temperature to 68 degrees. Honeywell, Nest, and ecobee are just a few thermostats that work with Alexa. Get cooking ideas and tips. Get conversations. Example: how many tablespoons in a quarter cup? Ask for recipes. Set a timer. You can set multiple timers and ask her for time remaining. Get the news off of the echoes. Fitbit stats. News going on around the world. Weather. And you're able to control your TV. It's a little pricey, but competitively voice controlled. In Alexa, turn on the TV. Alexa, turn on Netflix. So you don't have to use a remote or anything. Your smart TV, you're able to talk into your remote and you're able to change a channel or jump to a channel. Switch between different programs in that TV like offers like Netflix, YouTube, Hulu, etc. Another example, healthcare. Assisting doctors. Artificial intelligence is being designed to help doctors out and not replace them. It gets difficult for a doctor to provide care to a lot of many patients at the same time. AI does the repetitive task of looking after numerous people at the same time. This prevents the doctor from getting physical and mentally tired. Automotive driver assist. Automatic cars develop assist you with driving because of the sensors that are equipped with new features include in a car takes a load of the driver, takes control. The car keeps on working even if the driver gets distracted for a while. Most of the drivers have now begun choosing automatic cars over manual ones because of the smart AI technology that are equipped with. AI enables smart sensors. Smart sensors can detect any technical or even medical emergency situations inside the car. They save you from any possible emergency by warning you of any possible threat in advance. These sensors even watch over the security of your vehicle in your absence or presence of and predictions are done using AI technologies. How artificial intelligence affects profit. Artificial intelligence can be dangerous in many ways. If something gets messed up because it's not a human, you need to program these machines to do tasks. So it does not have any common sense or anything. It just does what it's told to do with programming. Anonymously, weapons are artificial intelligence systems that are programmed to kill. In the hands of the wrong person, these weapons could easily cause mass casualties, so humans could lose control of such a situation. The effects could also be good because they don't have to hire more than one person to work and pay them just buy this robot and do the job more efficient and faster. This can make more money and even improve how everyone works at the company. Further potential. Personal AI assistants they have for people that can't afford to do or see a doctor every now and then. Equipped with the right advisory or at the remotest, the AI system can understand complex human body conditions and give possible medication recommendations. The analyst can even deliver medication alerts and alarms. The way the technology is growing nowadays, I would not be surprised at what will be showing up in our lives. The world is open to greater things and people are going to try and build a new and bigger toy to help out somehow. For artificial intelligence is the cost of them. Creation of smart technologies can be expensive due to their complex nature and they need for repair and ongoing maintenance. They you need for them that you need for them. Software programs need regular upgrading to adapt to the changing business environment and in case of breakdown present a risk of losing code or important data. Restoring this is often time consuming and costly. Alternates available instead of using artificial intelligence or super machines, you're able to use people. You can train them to do the job employee make more people instead of taking jobs away from them. People will be able to make more money and get a job to support themselves and their families. You don't need a robot to do everything for the company. You want to help out the community and you will get a good word for the company. Most likely it will be growing. Summary. Artificial intelligence can be a great thing and can also not be a good thing either. It depends on how you look at it in some cases. If it is a simple task, you might want it if it doesn't cost too much to maintain. It is a great experience if you get the option to work with one because it would look very good on your resume if you have any experience because companies want the robots to help out their employees so they have more time for other things. Thank you for listening on to me. Have a nice day. Bye.